Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Style with Shivi, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how simply you can achieve this super sexy glamorous night party look. But before we started our tutorial, make sure you have subscribed my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss the update. And what we are waiting for, let's start the tutorial. For my base today, I'm going to use Dermacol Foundation Base Cream. This is very thick in consistency, so that's why I'm applying it here with my fingertip. You can use makeup brushes as well. It totally depends to your choice, but I like to do this in this way, so that's why I'm using my fingertip. And don't forget to apply this Dermacol over your pigmented areas, because this is full cover, will definitely hide your marks. Now it's time to blend your makeup. Blending is the key of any kind of makeup, because if blending is not good, it will give you a very cakey effect. So here I'm blending my product. I'm avoiding my under eye because I'm going to apply concealer in my under eye and dark area of my faces, and right now I'm looking like a ghost, but after smudging my all product, you can see the finishing of this product. So here is the look of this full coverage foundation. Now I'm going to apply concealer over my eyelid under my dark circles, so that it will give my makeup a very professional touch. As I told you earlier that Dermacol is a cream based foundation, so here I'm using my concealer in a cream consistency, because we have to mix it with our face makeup as well. And now it's time to lock my makeup, especially under my eye area. And here I'm using loose powder from Hilary Ruda, and you can use either loose powder or banana powder or any other talcum powder as well, according to your suitability. And if you skip this step, then your makeup will not be long lasting anymore. And after applying my powder, here is I'm doing my brows, and for doing my eyebrows I'm using dark brown color from my eyeshadow palette. And I like this color because my hair color is also brown, and it goes with my face and my color complexion as well. So I always do brown eyebrows so that it will give a very natural look. For eye makeup today, I'm keeping my eye makeup very subtle from above, because we have to give electric look in my lower lash line. So that's why I'm applying very light brown shade on my crease, and I will smudge it very well and give a very natural look to my eyelid. If you don't want to use brown shade, you can go with the peach or pink shade as well, because it also gives your skin a very natural tone. For today's look, I'm not going to use any eyeliner, so I'm going to use Blue Heaven Kajal. So first of all, I will mark my wing from both of the side with the help of this kajal. I'm going to draw a very thin line from inner corner of my eyes to outward, and I will smudge it very carefully with the help of my smudge brush. And for blue shadow, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession, this beautiful palette, and from this palette I'm going to take very dark blue color and will apply it under my lower lash line very carefully. First of all, I will draw a very neat line with the help of small brush. Afterwards, I will apply a very thin layer of my blue glitter from Hilary Ruda, and it will give my eye a very good look. For completing my eye makeup, I am going to draw a very thin line of liner from inner corner to outwards, and here is the complete eye makeup of mine. And now I am going to add little bit glow on my face with the help of Swiss Beauty highlighter palette, and from the palette I am going to take this peachy pink color and will apply as a blush on over my cheek. And for lipstick today, I'm going to use Laura Paris Rouge Signature lipstick. According to me, these lipstick are very marvelous, and these are super lightweighted. The formula is so good, easy to apply, and 100% matte lipstick, and it always give a very smooth and marvelous effect. So after completing my lipstick, here is the complete look. I hope you guys are liking it, and how much you liked it, do mention me in comment box below. And what do you think about this super gorgeous eye makeup look? Don't forget to share with me your views, your reviews. And if you want to follow me on Instagram for more fashion beauty updates, then please do follow me on Insta. My handle name is Style with Shivi. And apart from this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that next time whenever I will upload the video, you will directly get notification. And till then, keep watching. Loving. Bye.